All right, I have a lot of cleaning to do today. I'm wondering if you guys can do me a favor and just keep an eye on Stanley. I'm just gonna put you in the Jeff Goldblum Birthing Center, and Stanley will stick around, I'm sure. He's a very good boy, aren't you? Oh, there, he's gonna lay down. Okay. Thanks, guys, appreciate it. I owe you one. No, you don't owe me one, Karen. I just need to get out, okay? Thank you. Try that again. Hopefully he doesn't bury you this time. What did you do to our friends? Thank you guys so much for watching Stanley today. I really appreciate it. I got so much done. My question is though, are you guys available next week? Not for Stanley, but for Karen. Her last sitter is taking an indefinite leave in the hospital. Only if you're available. Anyways, thanks again.